If you are looking for an AI plugin for your IDE, here is a snapshot of what Gemini offers. Google's Gemini Code Assist plugin presents a clean and focused interface. Onboarding is straightforward, with the plugin suggesting several core capabilities to get you started, adding commands to your code, implementing unit tests for your code, making code easier to read. Gemini Code Assist is an example that has extensive integration capabilities across multiple enterprise systems. It bridges multiple aspects of enterprise software development, from coding and documentation to deployment and maintenance. Here is how it connects various development tools and platforms. Version control systems, GitHub, GitLab, and probably other version control systems integration for automated pull request reviews. Automatically finds bugs and style issues, suggests code changes and fixes. Documentation and knowledge base. It supports connection for private documentation repositories, provides source citations for documentation references. It uses large context windows, up to 1 million tokens, to understand code and documentation. IDE integration. Direct integration with popular development environments, including VS Code, JetBrains IDEs, IntelliJ, PCharm, and so on, Android Studio, and Cloud Workstations. Cloud Workstations is the name of a cloud-based development environment service offered by Google. It provides pre-configured development environments with a built-in IDE and allows users to work remotely in a browser or their local IDE. It provides contextual assistance within the development environment. It offers smart actions and commands for common tasks. Gemini Code Assist has also integration with Firebase for application development, BigQuery for data operations, Apigee for API management. Apigee, by the way, is a comprehensive API management platform from Google Cloud designed to help businesses build, manage, and secure APIs. It acts as a proxy, enabling API providers to manage various aspects of their API lifecycle, including security, analytics, and monetization. Apigee supports multi-cloud strategies and helps businesses scale their API initiatives. Gemini Code Assist has also application integration for workflow automation. Application integration offers a wide range of triggers out of the box, including API, Cloud PubSub, Schedule, Salesforce, and Cloud Scheduler triggers. If you are excited to diving deeper into the world of modern software engineering from architecture to cloud and security, check out my video courses where I explore these concepts further and tackle real-world challenges. The link to the courses is in the video description below. And here is a bonus. Subscribe to my newsletter and you will get free and discount access to my video courses.